Nag-order akong husband guys og Jollibee para sa amo ang dinner. Wow! So, ito pala yung order ng husband ko, guys. In-order niya to para sa aming dinner. And he don't want me to cook right now because he knows I'm so tired. So, kalami, guys. So happy. So, by the way, guys, yung favorite talaga ng husband ko is Jollibee. So, nahawa siya sa akin na Jollibee yung order ko. So, ito, guys, Jollibee family. And then, we have buko pie. Pichi pie. And then, I also order a burger for me and my husband. So, nagluto na rin ako ng rice, guys, for our dinner. We cannot live without rice. So, sabi ng husband ko, guys, since nandito siya sa Pilipinas, he wants to eat rice all the time. So, without rice, guys, hindi talaga siya mabubusog. Kaya, rice is life. Kasi nung nandun siya sa kanilang country, guys, hindi siya masyadong kumakain ng rice. It's always like meat, sausage, at iba pa. So, since nandito siya sa Pilipinas, hindi siya kumakain without rice. Oh my God. Look at. Sobrang bago, guys, at mainit pa. And of course, hindi natin makakalimutan yung Sprite at Royal. So, kanina pa lang namin to siya binili, guys. So, half na lang yung natira. Also, we cannot forget the rice. Like I said while ago, nandiyan siya, guys. So, ito pala yung spoon ko, guys. Joke. Ito yung spoon ko. Do you like Jollibee, babes? Good or no? Iba lang yung gusto sabihin ng husband ko, good? Wacky.